how to stop sharing posts from Instagram to Facebook. Now let's say your Instagram account and Facebook account are linked to one another. However, you don't want to share your post on Instagram to Facebook. Now all you have to do to end that situation and stop sharing your post from Instagram to Facebook is to click on this plus button right here and go to post. And now let's say you want to post something like a photo maybe. Let's say right here. You want to post this photo. However, you don't want to share this post of a photo to Facebook. All you have to do is to hit on next again, and scroll down. Now, if you scroll down, you will be able to see this advanced settings right here. You just have to click on that, and you will be able to see an option when you scroll down, an automatic sharing section right here. And as you can see, if you toggle this on, all your posts will be able to be shared automatically to Facebook. All you have to do to stop sharing posts that you have posted on Instagram to Facebook is to toggle this off. Now once you're done, all you have to do is to share this post as usual, and it won't be shared to Facebook anymore. So that's how to stop sharing posts from Instagram to Facebook. Hope we helped.